Orlando Pirates will struggle to defend this league. They're really not convincing kule season lena. It's been 3 games since the season started, 2 league games plus 1 game ye-MTN8. They're really not convincing kule season lena. They're failing to convert ama-chance wabo. They lack creativity. Finishing in the final third is very poor. I still don't understand why coach Abdeslam Owadu is so obsessed ngoyanela Mbuthuma. This guy has nothing to offer for Orlando Pirates. But from last season, siloke si patient ngoyanela Mbuthuma. Oh yes, give him a chance. Give him a chance. Yeah, early season. Give him a chance. Give him a chance. Now it's the start of the new season. 3 games, uzidlale zonke uMbuthuma. MTN8 2 league games, still he's struggling this season. I still don't understand ukuthi why do we have to continue playing uMbuthuma nibe nimbona bafethu ukuthi this guy will offer the team fuck all throughout the whole season. The only solution for uMbuthuma is either they loan him out or ahlale ebenchini. Maybe he needs to work on his confidence yakhe. Maybe nalabantu laba bama video analyst laba bebatrainisa umfukeng lapha simbonisa bamlungisa itechnique yakhe yokushuta. Maybe those people need to spend more time Mbuthuma and apply a specialized training for yena, because bafethu this is not on. Now I'm one person who gives credit where it's due. Of course, I've been against Tito for a very long time, and the reason I've been against Tito for a long time is because he's a creative playmaker. As a creative playmaker, sitinga ukuthi kube uwe odlalisa striker. You need to be the one that finds the right channels zokuthi pierce through a low block or however abantu baspressa ngakhona. He did that namhlanje. He was finding uMbuthuma, he was finding ama-winger wakhe. I just didn't see him take much shots, but namhlanje Tito was much better. Of course, there's room for improvement. Mara namhlanje uzamile udlale. Other than that, bafethu, I don't understand how Lumchita lo amazulu got away ngale yafala committee lokusihle Ndile starts showing tackle oyamlimaza sibona ne ankle yakhe ya twist and he only gets a yellow card. Poor officiating continues like South Africa. That's a straight red. Leya ixoxisa unoxoxisa, that was a straight red. Lamchita lona, that's not sportsmanship. Udlale kabi kule game leyana. However, before this game started, ngishilo mina ngathi Orlando Pirates is going to find it tough to play against amazulu. Why do I say this? Labantu laba they solid mover. They know how to attack. They know how to drop back as a unit bese bayamalana in the middle of the park. Exactly the same thing that Golden Arrows did to Kaizer Chiefs. Babayekile bathi labantu laba, as long as baloke batasha polo, they are not dangerous. Orlando Pirates were busy knocking the ball around, struggling to find the right channels. Of course, Tsepang Muremi would make a run, and then each time he makes a run, Utito Masanganya collector Oyamupa or Upuyanela Mbuthuma. Unfortunately, Mbuthuma just couldn't finish. Again, what's this obsession guy? Leamchita Luanaba Fetu is clumsy, number 1. He makes a lot of mistakes. He pushes up Makmelo Gutabuya, Stragila Gutabuye, Azo Eddie Namba Lape mover. Then Natis Bis is forced to push to the left. Ulibonesiama pushes to the right. Then Ushimunte Muvawake. Usbelebele just keeps proving me right to good. He is not a natural right back. If Uzotata umuntu there is a forward and then uzomconvert and expect him to play as a wing back, that's why azocommit ama penalty, because uyakubonisa ukuthi he's an attacker. He's not used to coming lane boxini azomaka. Clumsy, upush umuntu, of course he mistake, but even the positioning yakhe, how is that player in front of him we defend? How is that player in front of him? Usbelebele was supposed to be behind the player, akave the channel. Lamchita lana ushaya Iran ahead of Usbelebele uyampita ngale run yakhe leyana. I've been saying na last season the same thing continues. Coach Abdeslam Owadu doesn't know how to substitute. He doesn't know when to substitute, and he doesn't know which players to put on and substitute. Kanti kuyoze kube nini le substitution yakandaba no Hoto iqhubeka ku Orlando Pirates. Play Hoto, uyambona ukuthi Hoto is more energetic than Undaba. He knows how to drop back and assist a mover. Hoto, other than Umfukeng, last season Hoto had the most assists. So I don't know what this obsession Ngondaba is. Coach Owadu needs to learn how to read the game. This was very disappointing from Coach Abdeslam Owadu and his technical team. You have players Oguguti, they could have done better game le. And Sihle Nduli, I'm really sorry. Askis Mfetu. Like Sihle Nduli is such an important player for Orlando Pirates, but these injuries will eventually let him down. I said ukuthi utalente mbatha makakhona awumboni. Mara makangekho uyabona ukuthi utalente mbatha akekho. This game needed utalente mbatha. Why do I say this? The team feeds off energy yakhe. He's that lucky charm here Orlando Pirates. He's one player ukuthi makushubile yakwazi uphakamisa isandla kube uye ozane plan, and then he makes things happen for Orlando Pirates. It's going to be a very long season for coach Abdeslam Owadu. I don't see him do what he did last season. Le finder yakhe last season yokuthi ushama guesswork namhlanje ngiqala lo kusasa ngiqala lo and then imsebenzele imwinele league. This season it won't happen because ama-team ayazi ukuthi Orlando Pirates idlala kanjani. You can't go to a game against an AmaZulu and use this and apply tactic A1 throughout the game. Uyabona ukuthi this thing of playing ngama-fullback wakho ayikusebenzeli because bayabapressa, mabapressa babashaya nge-counter abakhavelani kahle. I-combination yako uMremi noNdaba is not working for Orlando Pirates. uMremi noNdaba don't understand each other. There were moments la uNdaba ufuna uMremi down the flank, uMremi is cutting in. When uNdaba mfuna la akhathe in khona uMremi is down the flank. So that combination doesn't work. However, Muremi and Hoto, they play better together. Bayakwazi ukunderstandana, bayakwazi nokuthi omunye makarana omunye track back, and then it makes it easy for Orlando Pirates to play. So today's game was a very tough one for Orlando Pirates. For me, Orlando Pirates were actually lucky to even get the draw kule game. Bekumele ukuthi badliwe because nale goal la first half la Mazulu actually is not offside. There was also another issue about ref, poor officiating. That was not an offside. Usbelebele played that guy onside, but the ref's decision is final. It's going to be a very long season for Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates bazoyifile absence ka Mfukeng. It's clear to see ukuthi uMfukeng uye bekadlalisa i-team. Ever since Mfukeng ahambile bafethu, i-creativity yaleka lapha Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates are not shooting enough. Orlando Pirates are not playing the enthusiasm nangale energy that's required. So they're really going to miss Mfukeng. A very long season ahead is coming for Orlando Pirates. And lastly, just Uguivala. Just words of advice to Owadu on a technical team yake. I said last season, never approach a game without impact players. Abantu abangangena from the bench, but change your complexion a game. Khositsile sharp. I agree with Khositsile coming off the bench. I agree with Apolis coming off the bench namhlanje. But again, ngikhulumile, ubani competition akatito. When Tito's not having a good game, who replaces Tito? When Tito's not in the game, who replaces Tito? Towards the end of the game, Besaka Kateli, you could see Guti, Bekmelo Guti Bamkipe, but because Orlando Pirates didn't sign enough creative playmakers, but sign more central defensive midfielders with Bonele and Amtlanjo Guti. The only substitutes they had Kulela bench Lela, Umukoboti. They had nalo mfana lo nomthetheleli Mtiyana ngikhuluma ngabantu abadlala emidleleni, so they were prepared ukuthi if anyone gets injured between uDenson noNduli, we have replacements. Question is, if Tito got injured kule game ubani bekazongena replace uTito, because already bese baplanile ukuthi uMremi makaphuma sifaka uApolis. And then Lomfana Lona, Skipos Belebele will take Ulungu, will push him as the right back, then Khositsile will play as the right wing, cutting Laguzo Kata into left space yake. Then who replaces Tito? A transfer window, Aigaga Valua. Orlando Pirates go sign a creative playmaker. Orlando Pirates doesn't have enough playmakers. Mfukeng was the only playmaker that they had. Either Apolis assumes that role or Nehamba Nusaina a creative playmaker. Coach Awadu, stopper, substituter, Uhoto, Nondaba. That substitution is not working for you. If you play Ndaba, play Ndaba. If you play Hoto, play Hoto. Nyakala mina in my life, Ukbonu coach substitute defender you are chasing a game. The reason it's Orlando Pirates is chasing is because Pirates are the defending champions and we all expected Guti Pirates to win. Very disappointing from Orlando Pirates. If in highlight some performances abantu abadlale kahle, Cameron Dancing, well done, very solid. Bega wina machekile, bega release ball ngesikhathi. He was just a bit unlucky sometimes makathu a shooter, but you could see intention yakhe lo mfana lona ukuthi he just wanted to win that game. Unfortunately, yena noNduli bebangakaze badlala bonke. Bebaqala ukudlala bonke like in a full game. Bebaqala ukudlala bonke and then uNduli got injured. uNduli naye bombona ukuthi he was a bit flat-footed because igame yakhe yokuqala yesizini le kunama pass bekawashaya sometimes umbona ama back pass wakhe ukuthi awafiki kahle kulomuntu lona azama ukumpick up and bebampressa fast, so Cameron Dancing ended up doing double the job. Bekumela push abuye futhi azo track a back line in the middle of the park. I still don't understand the signing alomfana lo Thapelo Mukobodi. Nyaza abantu abaningi bajabulile, such an exciting player for Stellenbosch FC, yes, but this is a big team. You can be exciting with Stellenbosch. Mawufika la Orlando Pirates script siflipe because we are all eyes are on you, man. Sikufakeli pressure sifuna ukuthi uperforme. I don't understand the signing yalo yamfana lo ya. It's going to be a very tough season for Orlando Pirates bafethu. If again Usbisi or Ulbonesi got injured, ubani ongaba replacer adlale to that level yabo. Orlando Pirates again Mpocha Batsani kanti simsanele ukuthi mbeke benchini. Guta yohlala le mastenzi na free feet tulo zama bench. Bring this guy nimuphi chance adlale. Orlando Pirates deserve to lose le game namhlanje, and I don't think it's going to be possible. They are not going to defend this league. And I said it last season by Tata le clip by Faga ku Bucks camp. I'm saying it again. Orlando Pirates won't defend the league because they don't have a coach, number one, that knows how to win the league, a coach that knows how to substitute, a coach that can win ama-tactical battle. Coach Atazwani was far better than Coach Abdeslam Moadu namhlanje. Shout out to Coach Atazwani. We studied Shili Orlando Pirates. He was just unfortunate to not win the game. The same thing that happened against Durban City happened today. The same thing that happened against Milford Yenzagele namhlanje will happen again on Saturday against Chipa United. Bitumelo Radipana Nombutuma. They have nothing to offer for Orlando Pirates. But Bafetu, thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and then Hlalena Zuguti. I don't hate any players. I don't hate any team. I just want the best for South African football at large. Thank you.